In this video, I am going to show you how to use Google Chrome on Roku TV. So first, you'll need to know that you cannot basically install Google Chrome directly into Roku TV, and it's not possible. It's not something that you can download. Roku does not have a normal Chrome app or any other full web browser. So basically, in order to use Google Chrome inside your Roku TV, you will have to do some workarounds, like trying to mirror your phone screen, your PC screen that has Google Chrome. As an example, first you'll need to make sure that your Roku TV and your phone or computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then go to the settings inside Roku TV. From there, you can click on System, then basically look for Screen Mirroring. So choose screen mirroring and then select the screen mirroring mode. You can set it to prompt to always allow. And if you're using a Windows computer, press on Windows plus key on your keyboard, then choose your Roku TV from the list. If you're using an Android phone, you'll need to open the quick settings panel and look for Smart View Cast or Screencast. Tap it, then choose your Roku TV. And if you're using an iPhone, you'll have to open the Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, then choose your Roku TV. And this only works if your Roku supports AirPlay. Sometimes you may not have the option to screen cast your iPhone into the TV. And after you select your Roku TV, your TV may ask you if you want to allow the connection. Choose allow, and now you can go and open your Google Chrome on your phone or computer, and anything you do on Chrome will be shown on your Roku TV. And you can search Google, open websites, watch a video from the browser, and yeah, that should be it. So you'll need to keep in mind that you cannot use Google Chrome directly into Roku TV, but you can still use it by mirroring your phone or computer screen. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.